It took me 4 weeks before I make 50% profit from my $10 account, and I'm going to be sharing all what I did. For the first 2 weeks, I focused on one pair. I did not jump from one pair to another. I used proper risk management. The reason why I focused on one currency is that the way all candlestick react on different currency are different. On the currency that I trade, whenever I see doji and a strong candle, and if the doji and a strong candle did not engulf the previous candle, there is high probability that the next candle is going to be either red. If it's red, it's going to be green, and if it's green, it's going to be red, something like that. And also, I make a video when I went to trade the pair that did not belong to my own. I tried to use the way the candlestick react on the pair that I focused, and the candlestick did not respect, or the pair did not respect my strategy. So I stay away from people's strategy, because combining this strategy, that strategy, your strategy, we strategy together will cause too much confusion. So that is the reason why I did not focus on others. I focused on my strategy. I stay away from other people's strategy. Whenever I'm online and I see people trying to explain their strategy, I just swipe away, because by the time they are explaining their strategy, I might have absorbed something that I am not supposed to absorb, and I might want to subconsciously I might be putting it in my strategy, which I might not even know that I'm putting it already. So because of that, I don't even bother to use two more than 2 3 seconds on other people's video explaining their strategy. I just swipe away. Week 3 and week 4, I realized I'm scared of drawdown. So once I realized I'm scared of drawdown, I just deposited another $10, because I'm trading on a $10 account, because I'm not scared of drawdown. I'm scared if I have 10% drawdown on the 10,000 on the $10 account, is going to turn the next digit to 9, and seeing one digit I don't think is going to do good to my psychology at this moment. So that is the reason why I just deposited another 10. So if I have a 10% drawdown, instead of saying 9, I'm going to be saying 19. And I always say, why trading figure also affects psychology. I don't know, I've never handled a 5 digit account, I don't know, but handling 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digit, 4 digit accounts, I can bet it with you that those number has a huge role that they are playing on a trader psychology. The way you are trading a $1,000 account, you can't trade a $10 account like that. The way you are trading $100, you can't trade a 10,000, like you can't trade $1,000 account. On the third, fourth week, I realized more is less and less is more. I realized if I win one trade, I'm going to make more profit than winning two and losing one. I also did not risk my capital anyhow. Once I make profit, okay, I might even try to use the profit anyhow. But immediately I have 2% profit, I don't use it anyhow. And when I see that okay, I have 1%, 10% drawdown for my capital, I make sure I hold the capital tight. I make sure the next trade I'm going to take is going to give me like almost 100% sure. But what helped me the most is that I discover the problem. He's scared of having drawdown, scared of trading with one figure. Let me say one figure. 10 is two figure. When his turn comes to 9, it's going to be one figure. If you are trying to make more profit and you feel you are scared of drawdown, you are scared of blowing your account, I might advise you to deposit like another $10 to your account, and at the back of your mind, just make sure that that $10 you are not using it to trade, you are just using the additional $10 to stay calm, not to mess up your psychology, because that is what I do. If you are new here, feel free to check out this channel. I post daily on how I manage my $10 account. And if I'm to give advice, if you are a beginner, I'm surely going to advise you to start your trading career with a $10 account. You might have $2,000 you want to fund your account, but fund your account small small. When you say you can handle a $10 account for like 2 weeks, add additional $10. Once you see you can handle that $10 for 2 weeks, add additional money. Keep adding it like that. Just don't add the whole money inside your account. because if you can manage that $10 account for like a month, 2 months, I can bet you that you can manage 20, 30, 40, even $100 account for more than 2 months. So it's a gradual step. Don't rush and put all your money on your trading account once. So that is what I just want to share you. I just really, because I'm not trading live and I must drop something for you, that is the reason why I drop this video. If you find it helpful, let me know in the comment section. Till tomorrow. Peace.